Hello friends, welcome to my channel My Way of Cooking Healthy and Tasty. My today's recipe is Tofu Kofta Curry with potatoes. Tofu is considered not only the good source of protein, calcium, minerals and iron, but it also helps lowering the cholesterol levels. This dish can be served in your lunch or dinner table with rotis, parathas or rice. So let's get started making it in my way. So this is the tofu. I generally use the organic extra firm one. So you have to just take it out from the water solution. To just drain off this water and wash the tofu properly. Now see, I have washed my tofu properly, and you have to just take out all the extra water inside it using a paper towel and giving slight pressure. See, all the extra water is coming out. So we will start making the koftas first. So this is the tofu. I have taken all the extra water out of it, and now I'll use a little chopped onions, little chopped green chilies, ginger paste, a little whole coriander seeds, turmeric powder, Garam Masala Powder, salt, a little sugar. Now mix all these ingredients well with the tofu. And now for the binding, here I am using chickpea flour or besan, a little baking soda, a little more salt, and now mix this all well again. Now before shaping the koftas, you can use a little bit of oil on your palm, and then give it a shape whatever you wish. I have given a circular one. These actually takes very little time. Now my oil is heated up on the tawa, and now place the koftas and just fry it till golden brown on the one portion. So the tofus generally take a longer time to be cooked properly. So on the other hand, over here I will start making my gravy. Heat some oil on the pan. Heat it. Here I will use some roughly chopped ginger and garlic, some chopped onions, just fry it. You have to fry it till the onion takes a little brown in color. Now see here, my koftas have taken golden brown in one portion. Now you have to just flip it over. See, I have flipped over all the koftas and fry the other side too till it's golden brown. So one thing I have forgot here in the gravy, that is the peanuts. So I'm just frying it now. You have to actually fry it separately before putting the onions, but since I forgot that, I'm just trying to fry it here on the other side separately, and then I'll mix it with the onions. Now see, my onions are almost done, a little golden brown in color. Then you have to add the tomatoes. And the best way to cook the tomatoes quickly is to sprinkle some salt, mix it well with the tomatoes, and then put a lid. Now see, my tomatoes got melted. Now switch off the flame. Take this out in a plate and we will blend this mixture. And here my koftas are also ready. I have taken these out in a plate. Now see, my mixture is ready. The onion, tomato, ginger, garlic and the peanut mixture. And over here I have also heated little oil on the pan, and when it is heated up, at first sprinkle a little jeera or the cumin seeds. Let this splatter. Now use the turmeric powder and a little red chili powder or the paprika, just for the color. Now I will use my mixture. So as I have used the peanut over here, the gravy will soon start to become thick. So that's why you have to keep the flame now in medium to low and let it be cooked just for few seconds, and then we will use the other spices. So now I'm going to use the other spices like coriander powder and a little garam masala powder, 1 bay leaf, salt to taste, and then mix all this well. Now I'll use a little warm water on the mixture. Since the gravy is getting a little thicker, now when the all spices get cooked properly in the mixture, then I'll use the boiled potatoes. Mix it well with the gravy. You don't have to cook it much as the potatoes are already boiled. Just let it be cooked for few seconds in the gravy. And now I'm going to add a little more warm water on it. And now keep the flame in medium, and whenever it come to a boiling point, see now, I'm going to use my koftas in it. Just dip it well in the gravy. Just cook it for few seconds and this is done. You don't have to cook it much, otherwise the koftas will get broken. Now use a little salt, pinch of sugar, mix all this well. You should stir it very carefully so that the kofta doesn't get broken. And at the end, here I'm going to use a little warm milk. Keep the flame in low now. I'll get a nice color with the milk and it will also taste good. Here I have used the whole milk. You can use any milk which is available with you. And finally, I'll just garnish it with a little chopped fresh cilantro. And this is done. Just switch off the flame. Now my tofu kofta curry is ready to serve. If you like my recipes, please hit the like option, share this with your friends and family, and please subscribe my channel for more healthy and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching. God bless you.